Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delights. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to make an easy version of drunken noodles at home. It's super delicious and you're gonna love it. So, if you're ready, let's get started. For today's recipe, I'm using 200 grams of fresh rice noodles. If you don't have this, you can just go for dry types of noodles. Shrimps, peeled and deveined. Holy basil leaves, or you can just go for Thai basil. Baby corn. To make chili and garlic paste, I'm adding these two ingredients into a mortar and pestle. We will pound this until we got a rough paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, feel free to finely chop these ingredients. Once we got the texture of our paste like so, we will set them aside. The next step is preparing the vegetables. To add some crunchiness to this dish, I'm using string beans. To get our string beans ready in the pan, I'm gonna pull off the strings on both sides of the string beans like so. Then we're gonna cut the string beans diagonally. Next, we're gonna prepare the straw mushrooms by removing the dark edges like so. Cut the mushrooms in 2 quarters. I've also got 1 Spur chili to add the color to our dish. This kind of chili is not spicy. We're gonna take this and cut the top and the tip and cut it diagonally. For my favorite See Mao sauce, I'm adding half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sweet dark soy sauce. Give it a good mix until the sugar dissolves. Once the sauce is ready, we will set it aside. Now let's make our drunken noodles. In medium-high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in garlic and chili paste and saute until it becomes fragrant. Then add in the shrimps, Here we don't want to cook the shrimps for too long because it can turn chewy. So once you see the color that you're looking for, we're gonna flip them. The next step is adding the vegetables. We're gonna saute the vegetables for a few seconds. Next, we'll add in our rice noodles. In this process, we're gonna saute our rice noodles until they become char. This will bring out the flavors of our rice noodles. This is one of the important steps, so try not to skip it. Then, we're gonna add our sauce into the pan. Stir fry until all the ingredients are well incorporated. As you can see here, our shrimp is perfectly cooked. The final step is adding holy basil leaves. In this final step, we're gonna saute for a few seconds before turning off the heat. Now we will turn off the heat and start serving our drunken noodles. And there you have it, simple and delicious drunken noodles. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.